Hi everyone, I'm Madeline Flaxey outside of Garmin Street Towers. I have a beautiful corner unit up in Tower 1. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are up in this bright, spacious corner unit. This unit is amazing with its high ceilings, quartz countertops, modern white tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. We have a full bathroom, a large bedroom with windows on 2 walls, and a big walk-in closet. Along with an underground parking spot, we also have an in-suite storage locker. But who even needs a car with location like this? We are steps from restaurants, Victoria Park, public transit, including the new transit hub, an LRT stop, and bus routes. From this spacious primary bedroom, you can see in 3 different directions, including sightlines to Google, Canadian headquarters, KPMG, and over there to Victoria Park. Thanks for touring 100 Garmin Street with me today. I'm Madeline Flaxey from Condo Culture. Visit our website or give us a call if you'd like to tour a unit with us today. Condoculture.ca is changing the way people buy and sell condos. Creating an account is easy and allows you to follow your favorite buildings, see advanced building analytics, get listing alerts, tour through 3D virtual spaces, and book an in-person or video chat tour with just a few clicks. But that's just to name a few features, so visit condoculture.ca and see everything we have to offer.